Good day, everyone. Learned how to install optional updates on Windows 11. Well, optional updates are quality and driver updates, and you can always check which driver updates are available and which you want to install it. So just do a right click in your start icon and then go to settings. Once the setting is opened, the very last option will be Windows Update, and we will click on that. Now here, the fourth option will be advanced option, and I will click on that, and just below the active hours you will find additional options. So it says optional updates where you can get feature, quality and driver updates. So currently there are no driver updates, no quality updates are available. However, if in your computer, if you're getting those available updates, you can install it, and this is how you can install the optional updates. So you can come back here every week or so and you can install the optional updates. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.